Hi, it's Randall Southam on the Dynamics CRM team here at FifthCloud. Back with you again. I had something interesting happen this afternoon. Somebody just came down the hallway. They knew that I'm working on the new FifthCloud website, and they said, Randall, could you do a recording real quick and show us how easy it is to integrate Dynamics CRM Online 2011 with the company website? And it just so happened that I was coming up on that part of my day anyway, so I thought I would stop and make a recording here and just share with you those steps. It's a very simple thing to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch over here to Dynamics CRM, and I'm in my workplace. The first thing I'll do is I'll navigate down to Sales, and I'll select Internet Lead Capture. Right here, I'll create a new landing page, and I have an option to either create an HTML page with design and brand and that type of thing, or I can just create the form that I can drop into the design of our website. And since this is a real world exercise, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to create the form. The first thing that I'll do here is I'll give the form a name, and this is going to be our general website. Form. The submit button URL basically is when somebody clicks and submits this form, what page do we want to show up? And I know whether or not it's published yet, I know that that page is going to be called thank you dot and the extension. Now, as I scroll down here, you'll see all of my available lead fields from the lead entity in Dynamics CRM. And in the right column is basically the page where I'm going to place those in the form. So I'm just going to come down real quick and I'm going to start adding those fields. I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back with you when I have them all selected. Okay, great. We can continue now that I've selected all of the fields, which are now over here in my right-hand column. These are all of the fields that will show up on the form. So now I'm just going to go down and I'm going to indicate which of those fields are going to be required of my visitor on the website, and in what order I want these fields to appear. So the first thing I'll do is, I want first name to be the first thing that we ask about, and then the last name. And so using these drop lists, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to sort which order I want these fields in, and as soon as I get done with that, I'll be right back. So as you can see now, I've successfully put my fields in order that I want them to appear on the form. And all I have to do at this point is come up here and click my Save button. You'll see now I'm actually presented with the code that I need to take and paste into my web page. So I'll just come into the body of this, and I'll select Control A, and I'll copy it. And now I'm personally using Expression Web as our web design tool. So I just need to come to that place on the page where I want to paste that form. And I'm going to come right into my HTML section of my page, and I'm going to paste that code. That's really all that I have to do. I'm going to click Save. And now, of course, I can come down and I can make any position changes that I want. On our website, we're using CSS. All the fonts are set in another place, so I don't have to worry about any of that formatting. But I can come down, for example, and I can put a space a return in between the name and the field. So I'm going to go ahead and format this page, and as soon as I get done, we'll continue. So now you can see I've got my form formatted the way that I want it. And if I just previewed this page, because we're using CSS and we're using includes and that type of thing, all I would be previewing is the form itself. So to actually see that page, I'll come up to a web page here. And you can see here, this is the form that I just created in CRM and I've now placed on my website. And if I come in here and I submit this, of course, it will take me to that thank you page. Now, once a sales lead does come into the system, you'll find that sales lead right back here on our internet sales lead capture landing page. You just come back here and you view all leads that have come into your system. And from here, you can assign those leads out. You can dump them out to Excel, do any of those types of things. So I hope that walkthrough was helpful. Again, Randall Southam with the CRM team here at FifthCloud. Be sure and give us a call if we can be of help, 877-465-8425. Thanks and have a great day.